Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial, and today lecture I would like to show you how to use Dissolve tool in GIS software and for what purpose we use Dissolve tool. So go to table of content, layer, first select the coordinate system, and here is the coordinate system WGS 1984, click on OK. Now go to Add Data. I have a shape file of my country. Add this shape file to GIS software. It have data you can see on the display. It have the sea level data. Now go to table of content and open attribute table of this data. Open attribute table. Here you can see there are province level data, and here is the district level data, and here is the tehsil level data. Now the data you can see in this display here, which is a tehsil level data. Now I will extract the province data from this country shapefile. For this purpose we can use a Dissolve tool. So go to our toolbox and data management tool and generalization. Here is the Dissolve tool. We can also open this Dissolve tool from geoprocessing by clicking on geoprocessing, and here you can see it's also here Dissolve tool. Now from here I will open the Dissolve tool and an input feature. I'll add a shapefile. Now I will choose the Dissolve field. I will choose the province. Yes. Now the province is selected. Now click on OK. It's done. Now here you can see that the provincial map is extracted from the district shapefile. Here if I show you once again the attribute table of the data, here you can see I show a multiple type of data in this attribute table. And now I will show you the new shapefile which only contains province data. Now open attribute table of the new shapefile. Here you can see that it contains only the province data of the country. So for this purpose we use a Dissolve tool. I hope that you can understand that for what purpose we use a Dissolve tool and how to use a Dissolve tool in GIS software. So if you have any question you can ask in comment section. I will reply you. Thank you.